Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make an analysis on AUDCAD. I'm currently in my daily time frame, and if you can see from the daily time frame perspective, the market has been bearish. But there is something I want to point out. At first, let me mark out my key levels. This will my key levels. Are my key levels, level of support, the level of resistance. And now it seems if you go to 4-hour time frame, the market has actually closed above the resistance line. And the next resistance from here, is around this very region. So after marking out my key level from the daily time frame, if you notice, if you're good with your market structure, you can see when a market is actually downtrending, it creates series of lower lows, lower highs. And this was a lower low, this was a lower high, this was a lower low, and it breaks structure to the downside. Then the market created another lower high, then breaks structure to the downside, created another lower high, breaks structure to the downside. Then now the market created a double bottom, signifying, showing to us that the trend might be reversing. Then now break this internal structure, then come back for a retest, then move to the upside. Break the structure to the upside, come back for a retest, move to the upside. Break the structure, come back for a retest, and move to the upside. After this break of market structure here, the market came back, created a double bottom. Let me mark out the double bottom. Created a double bottom, showing to us that the trend is currently in an uptrend, in a minor like uptrend for the meantime. Note quite well that if you are actually taking this very trade, your take profit will be at this resistance or these key levels. Taking this into consideration, this was the low, this was the high, and this was the low, this was the high, and this was the low. And if you can check where the market is currently at now, there is a close above. There was a close above this very week, meaning that the structure had been broken. Then the market came back, created a double bottom, then pushed to the upside. So now that we've seen that the market is currently in a minor uptrend, what do we need to do? We need to find our entry. Going to the 1-hour time frame, you can see that the market created a high, low, low, then created a high, then created a double bottom here. Then now the market created equal highs. Here. And when an equal highs is being formed, there's a tendency that the market will trade to the upside and take out that high. Then now let's look for our entry now. Now that we've seen equal highs from here, and we are actually aiming to take our long to the upside. So considering the structure here now, the market created a low, a high, low. This low fell to break past this point where the market created a double bottom, then created a high, break past this high, created a low, a high. This very high now closes above this very high, still telling us that we are breaking structure to the upside. Then the market created a low, then created this very high, making it equal highs. So I will Since we couldn't, after the market credit is very high, we couldn't enter maybe as a sniper entry from here, because this was an area of what? Resistance, which have been broken down and retested now. So if I take the long from where the current market is at, then my stop loss will be around here. Then my take profit will be this very zone. Then where would my first take profit be? This would be my first take profit. My second take profit. If this market can do a 1:3, that is actually cool. Being able to take the okay, yeah. Being able to find trade entries like this, then maximize like take an opportunities into this kind of market gives you the very edge to make profits. So I'm currently bullish on AUDCAD. If the market takes us out from here, we'll be eager to take our long position from here until this very low have been what taken out. That's when will be considered to be what bearish. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. Please, if you're a new person to the YouTube channel, I urge you to drop a comment in the YouTube channel in the comment section. Tell me on the very page you wish to analyze, and also turn on your notification button, because I promise that I will be dropping videos back to back on this very YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching.